Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can carry your friends on Bloxburg. So you can't carry like random people here. As you can see, he's kind of like a random, but I did set him as a roommate. So you want your friends to set your status as like a roommate here. Go to permissions and family and make sure your friend is either a co-owner or a roommate. Then you're going to select interact here, and you're just going to select carry, and you can carry them around. To put them down, just press the X button. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.